If you're an iPhone user, Safari is probably your go-to browser for exploring the web, checking out your favorite sites, and watching videos. But many people stick with the default settings, which can let trackers follow your activity, slow down your browsing, and share more personal info than you'd like. In this easy guide, I'll walk you through the key Safari settings to adjust for a safer, faster, and more private browsing experience. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Apps and find Safari. You'll see several areas to customize. First, under Privacy and Security, turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking to stop websites from tracking you across different sites. Enable Hide IP address from trackers to keep your location and connection details private. Make sure Fraudulent Website Warning is on to get alerts about suspicious sites. Next, in the Search sections, turn off Search Engine Suggestions to prevent your typed queries from being sent before you hit Enter. Disable Safari Suggestions to stop your search activity from being shared with Apple. Consider turning off Quick Website Search if you don't use it, which helps cut down on background data. Then head to History and Website Data. Tap Clear History and Website Data to remove your browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Doing this regularly keeps Safari running smoothly. In the Advanced section, open Website Data to see which sites have stored data on your device. Delete any you don't recognize or want to clear to free up space. For camera, microphone, and location permissions, set each to Ask, so Safari requests your permission every time a site wants access. Finally, a few extra tips. Set downloads to save files on my iPhone instead of iCloud to keep them private. Change Close Tabs to After 1 day to automatically close old tabs and boost performance. Review your extensions and remove any you don't trust, as some can track your browsing or slow things down. By tweaking these settings, Safari will be more private, quicker, and safer. Spending a few minutes now can really improve your browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.